A warm welcome to one and all present here. I, Neha Singh from Department of Information Technology of St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, today would be demonstrating how you can use Google Expeditions and Google Tour Creator to make your subjects interactive using the concepts of augmented and virtual reality. First, we would explore Tour Creator. For that, you need to type Tour Creator in the Google and click on the very first link, that is Tour Creator by Google, using the concept of virtual reality, that is VR. Google Tour Creator, it allows you to create a 360-degree tour of any subject of your choice, where you can zoom in to show the places where event took place and easily integrate the stories, text, photos and videos. Let's get started. We will click on the Get Started button. It will ask you to enter the valid Gmail account. Once you enter the correct credentials, it will redirect you to the Tour Creator page. Now, here in the Tour Creator, you can view there are two different tabs. The first one is where you can create a new tour. Moreover, the other one is the default templates which exist in the Tour Creator. Now, in your tours, you can see I have created a tour named as India, having 3 scenes. Now let us have a look at the different templates which are available in the Tour Creator. Here you can see that there is a tour of 7 wonders of world having 7 scenes. So you can map this to the subject of history. Then there is another tour regarding the eyes. You can map this to the subject called science. You can map viruses as well as to your subject. So you can map these templates according to your subjects and make your classes interactive. Again, there is a concept of photosynthesis explained in it. The Great Wall of China. Then Swaminarayan Temple, Paris. Then microprocessors can be used in physics subject. You can describe the concept of solar system in geography. Then in science, you can show the muscular systems. In astronomy, you can show this particular template. And these many templates are there. In physics, you can show electromagnetic spectrum. In science, you can show how the respiratory system works. And so on. So these are the templates which you can share with your students and make your class more live and vivid. Now, let me show you how you can share this template with your students. You will click on the particular template. It will copy the contents of that template in your Tour Creator. Here you can see the image is there. There is a title, there is a description. You just need to click on publish. So in there, it will ask you regarding the visibility. You can keep the visibility as public or unlisted. When you keep the visibility as unlisted, it will be only seen by those who have the link. When you keep it as public, it can be seen by anyone. So generally it is recommended to keep it as unlisted if you want it to be private, and if you want to share your content with everyone on internet, then you can keep it as public. So currently I will keep as unlisted and then click on publish. You can copy the link and share with your students. Now let us view the tour. So here is the title of the tour, the electromagnetic spectrum, with the description which has written over here. Now here you can see that we can take a 360-degree view of this spectrum. You can just rotate it with the cursor. Now you can see that there are these circles indicating the point of interest. You can click on that particular point of interest. It says that it is electromagnetic wave and having the description. So in similar way, you can find out another point of interest, that is electromagnetic spectrum. So this point is the electromagnetic spectrum having the description that it covers a wide range of frequencies from radio waves which has a wavelength of meters to gamma rays which have wavelengths on order of picometers. So here you are going to add the description and here you are going to add the name of point of interest. Now you can also navigate to the scenes using the arrow. Now we have moved to scene 2, which is having following point of interest. Here it is explaining what are the radio waves. You can just simply check a 360-degree view, and when you see a point of interest you can click on it and see its description. So these waves are radio waves from outer space and it is having the description of the radio waves from outer space. You can switch to the other point of interest by clicking on it, and in similar way you can switch to the another point of interest, and if you want to navigate the scenes you can navigate it using the arrows. So here now in this it is telling what are microwaves. It has an image having different point of interest and having the description of it. So the point which I have clicked is cosmic microwave background having the description. So this is how you can make your lectures or you can make your subject very interesting. Now let me show you that if you want to create your own tour, how can you do that? So here we'll go on get started. And we will select an option of new tour. Earlier we had selected the template. Now we are going to create the tour. Here you can see I have published this electromagnetic spectrum template. That's why it's appearing in my tour. Earlier there was only one tour which was regarding India. Now I had published one more tour, so it is appearing in my tours. Now let us go to the option of new tour. Here I will write the name of the tour which I want to create. So let me say I want to create a Nagpur tour, and I can even select an image over here. So I will click on select an image. I can select the image from my device. And from here I can choose the image which I have already downloaded. Here I can add the description. I've already made a Word document wherein I have added all the information and the sections which I want to create. I will paste the description here. I can choose the category. Out of these categories, I will like to name this tour to the category of history. You can also use this tour in Google Expeditions, which I will be explaining in the later section. Now you can click on create. Now here you can see that a Google map has appeared. Here whichever place you want to add, you can search from the Google map. So I want to add a place called as Diksha Bhumi. So yes, on map it is showing that it exists. I will click on it, and as soon as I click on it, if there is any photo, a 360-degree view of it, it will directly get popped up. Now this is a person who is standing at this particular position. If you want to zoom in, you can zoom in using the plus sign, and if you want to zoom out, you can do it using the minus sign. Now if I want to change the view, I can take this person front, back, right, left, and according to your choice, you can make the starting point. Now I will add a scene. Here I will add the title to the scene, and then I will add the description. I've already made this document. Here you can even add the audio if you want, or you can even add the scene narration. Now let me add the point of interest. I will add stupa as a point of interest, and I will add the description to the point of interest. Similarly, I need to place this point of interest where it should be labeled. I can add another point of interest, that is gate, and then I can add a description regarding it. Yes, you can even set the starting view. So for this you need to click on it and say set the starting view, and I want to start from here, so I will just say save. Now my tour has been created with the scene name Diksha Bhumi. In this manner you can add n number of scenes you want. Now I will ultimately publish this, and I will keep the visibility as unlisted and publish it. You can copy the link and share with your students, and now we will go and view the tour. So you can see here my Nagpur tour has been created, the name which I have given. Moreover, the description is there, and I had created only one scene. So only one scene is appearing. I had set this as a starting point, and then I had two points of interest. One was the gate, which is over here, and its description is there, and the another one was the stupa. I will click on it, and this is the stupa having the description. So you can see how easy it is to publish a tour and make your subject or your topic very clear by putting it into different stages or into different scenes.